In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove multiple accounts on Facebook. If you find yourself juggling various Facebook accounts and want to streamline your online presence, you're in the right place. We'll walk through each step clearly and easily so you can follow along without any hassle. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Facebook account on your preferred device. This is essential as it allows you to access the settings needed to start the process. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a small downward-facing arrow. Click on that arrow to bring up a drop-down menu. From the options provided, select Settings Privacy, then click on Settings. This will take you to your main settings page, where you'll be able to manage various aspects of your Facebook account. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand column where you'll see a range of options to choose from. Here, you're looking for a section titled Your Facebook Information. Click on it to reveal further settings related to your account information. At this point, we're aiming to access the Deactivation and Deletion area, which will allow us to address the multiple accounts you have. Once you've clicked into Your Facebook Information, scroll down until you find Deactivation and Deletion. Clicking on this will open a new page where you can choose between deactivating or deleting your Facebook account. If you're unsure, keep in mind that deactivating your account will temporarily disable it, allowing you to reactivate it later, while deleting your account is a more permanent action. Since we're discussing multiple accounts, ensure you are certain about the ones you wish to remove. At this stage, select the account you're considering removing and click on either the Deactivate Account or Permanently Delete Account option based on your preference. Facebook will guide you through the process, offering you the chance to archive your data if you're deleting the account. This is a good practice if you think you might need access to your data later on. Continue to follow the prompts, and your account will either be deactivated or scheduled for deletion. Remember, if you're deleting, the account is not immediately wiped from Facebook servers. There's a waiting period during which you can still cancel the deletion if you change your mind. Lastly, after you've completed these steps for one account, you can log out and repeat the same process if you have additional accounts you wish to deactivate or delete. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to tidy up your Facebook presence. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. Feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.